Hello friends, I'm a Bix from keepdots.com. So I'll be showing you how to design this beautiful website. I used templates to design it from scratch, and in this tutorial I'll be using free resources. So you can see this beautiful website. I will show you how to design the page one by one, and I'm having 4 pages. So we'll be designing the home page, the about us, the service page, and the contact us page. So let me show you how to design the website. So this is your dashboard after you have installed WordPress. If you check my channel, I'll show you how to do some settings immediately after you install WordPress. So we are still going to do the settings now. So let's start. So this is your dashboard. So the first thing we have to do now is to go to plugins. We have to make sure that we remove these 2 plugins. If you want to remove it, you click on this box, you click on the box action, and then you select delete, you click on apply. Okay, so we've deleted the plugins. Now let's go to pages. If there is any page there is some page there, we have to trash them. So you click on this box to trash it once, you click on box action, you click on move to trash and apply. So we have to remove this trash. You click on trash, we click on this box, we select box action, then we delete permanently and apply. We are doing all this to make sure that we don't have anything on our WordPress, so that we can install new theme and install the new template with everything fresh. So let's go to post, let's remove hello, let's trash this, then under trash again we have to delete permanently. So you click on delete permanently. Good. So the next thing we have to do is we have to go to settings, we have to go to permalink. Let's make sure we select this custom structure. We are picking this custom structure because it is good for SEO. It is good for search engine optimization. So we click on custom, we click on categories, then we click on post name, then we save changes. If there is anything we have to change here, let's change our title, our site title. So I will be using a Bix. You can change this later. Then we will be using Citadel of Learning. Then let's assume that I'm having a registration button on my phone. Maybe I want people to on my system, on my website. Maybe I want people to register before they can access the full website. This membership, this box needs to be clicked. If I don't have anything like register on my website, then I don't need to click it. So I'm not having anything like register, so I won't click it. But in case you are designing a website and there is register button on your register on your website, you want people to register, you need to click this. So don't forget, make sure you select your date format, your time zone. Make sure you select your time zone and save changes. So the next thing that we have to do now is to go to appearance, click on theme. Let's go and select our theme. You can see that we are having 3 themes, so we don't want any of this theme, so we add a new theme. For this tutorial we'll be using Hello Elementor, so I'll install, then I'll activate. So I've activated the theme that we'll be using. So we need to remove these 3 themes because we are not using it. If you don't remove it, it will slow down the speed of your website, so it's better to remove anything that you are not using. So let's remove it. Let's remove this also. Then the last one, let's delete it. Good, so we are having just only 1 theme on our website right now. So guys, let's go and install the plugins that we need to use to design this beautiful website. So you click on plugin, then you add new. So you search plugin, so we'll be using Elementor. So you click on install now, which is we'll be using Elementor website builder. You click on install. If you scroll down, we'll be using Element Skits, Elementor add-on. Then we'll be using Elementor header and footer builder. So for this beautiful website, then we need contact us form 7, contact us. You need contact form. You need contact form 7. So you click on install. So guys, we have activated the 4 themes that we need for this beautiful website. So the next thing we have to do is we need to activate everything at once. So we click on install plugin. We click on plugin. We click box action, then we activate and apply. So our plugin has been activated. So the next thing we have to do now is to go and curate our pages. So we click on page. Like I said, I will be using templates for this website, and we need 4 pages. So let's create our pages. So our first page is home page. Let's publish it. Okay, before we publish, let's select page layout. Is there anything like page layout here? Okay, we select it inside Elementor. Let's publish it. Let's publish it. Then let's create the second page, which is the services page. Let's publish this also. Let's create our third page. Which is about us page. About us page. There, our last page is contact us page. Our last page is contact us page. let's publish this also. So now let's open all the pages in a new tab. Now this is our 4 pages. So to start designing our pages, to start designing our website, now before we start designing our website, let's go and create our menu first. Let's go and add our menu. So if you want to add menu to your website, if you want to add the menu to your website, then we have to click on appearance, then we select menu under customize, then menu. So this is, we have to create the menu first. So menu name, let's put main. So let's tick header. This is our menu page. Curate. This is our menu page. So we fill all, select all, and add to menu. Yeah, so you can see that we are having our menu now, but I want everything to be in capital letter block form. So we change it to home. We change the other one to about us. Then the last one is contact us. Then we have services. We are having 2 homes. Then we have services. So let's delete this. Okay, this is our main home. This is our home. Then we have to delete this first one. Okay, let's delete this. Let's remove this home. So we are having 4 pages for menu. Let's drag this up. Then we can click save menu now. So good, we've created our menu now. So the next thing we have to do now is to click on pages. Let's go and design our home first. You right click on edit, then we open it in a new tab. So we click on edit with Elementor. Guys, this is our Elementor dashboard. You can see now that we are having our menu at the top, which is really cool. So the next thing we have to do is to make sure that we remove the site title and the site header. We don't want it. This home, we have to remove this, and this a big citadel of decoration, we have to remove it. In short, we have to make sure that we have blank page here, because we are using Elementor templates. So we have to have blank page. So the next thing we have to do is to make sure we go to settings. Let's go to settings. So we hide the title. You can see that there is no home there again. Then our page layout, we change this to Elementor canvas. Change it to Elementor canvas, and then we'll be having a blank page. So guys, you can see that we're having a blank page now. So the next thing that we have to do now is to click on element skits icon. So let's select templates. So here we are having a lot of pre-designed templates. We have a lot that you can use for free. You can use it on any niche. Guys, you can see that we have a lot here. All this thing is free. You can use it for any niche that you want or any project that you want to do. So for this project, we'll be using this combo business templates. So this template is having home page, about us, services, pages already. So the next thing we have to do is to make sure that we insert the home page. So guys, this is our home page. You can see that we are having everything ready already. They have designed it already. This is pre-designed. So all we have to do now is to make sure that we use our content. Let's change one of two things on this home page. So the first thing we have to change on this home page, let's change this picture. So let's insert our home picture. So if you want to change this background picture, you click on here, and then you go to style, then we choose image. So we're going to upload some pictures that we'll be using for this project. Then you click on upload, select file. But I'll be using some picture that I've downloaded on my system. So guys, we will be using this image. Wow, this is good. So you can see that we have changed the picture. So the next, let's centralize this picture. Let's put, then we go to position here, we put it into center. So if you notice, this content is not, our text is not showing very well. So let's add page layout, background overlay to this picture. Then we click on background overlay. So we can use classic. If you use classic, that means that you'll be having just one color overlay on the home page. But I don't want us to use just one color. Let's use gradients so that we'll be able to use two colors. So for this website, we'll be using orange and navy blue. So let's pick our color, our orange, our navy blue first. Let's pick our navy blue. Then this is our orange. So let's change this color to our orange. Wow, you can see that now we can read our content very well. Our content is now showing, but we need to change some things here. Let's change some color here. Let's put 47 here. Good. Then this, let's use 54. Let's change this 180 to 226. And the last one, let's change it to 0.47. You can see what we have now. Let's change the opacity a little. Okay, linear. Yeah, this is good. Yes, this is it. This is it. Let's change this to light orange. Yeah. These are blue to this dark blue. Then our transparent should go low or deep. Yes, this is good. So guys, this is it. You can now see that we are having our hero section looking good. So the next thing we have to add, let's add another section here. So if you want to add something here, you click on plus, you select on our elements kits. So we use section. So in this section we have a lot of things. Under this section we have a lot of things that you can use to design your website, that you can use to make your website look more beautiful. So let's search for one that is good to add. We'll be using something like call to action. So you can see that we have a lot that you can use to design your website here. So guys, we'll be using this icon box. So wow, this is good. So the next thing we have to do is to make sure we remove this content. So if you want to remove this, you right click on this, then you scroll down to click on delete. And then there is space here. I don't want any space here. We click on this, you click on advanced, you remove this to 0 and this bottom also to 0. So now we want to make this one to go up a little bit. So we click on this, we choose advanced, then this, you remove this top, then this margin you have to add -150. Yeah, this is good. You have to add -150. Let's change it to 130. Sorry, let's change it to 130. Yeah, this is good. So we have to change the color of all this box. Let's put our navy blue here. So we go to style, we change this to our navy blue, which is 0203. Okay, good. So overlay also, we change it to deep just make it let's make it a little bit lighter. Yeah, this is good. So we have to remove this read more button. So we click on read more and hide it. Yeah, let's change this icon to also. This is where you will change the icon. You can put anything like flash button, like flash. Yeah, you can change it to anything you want, guys. So the second one, let's add orange to the second one. We'll be having orange. Let's add orange. Let's change this color to orange. Let's change it to orange. So we make sure that our over2 is lighter. Light. Let's put light. Okay, let's make it light. Let's check the light. No, the light is not. Let's check it to dark. Yeah, this is good. So let's remove the button also. Let's remove the button also. You read more button. So go to contents. Then you choose read more. Then we hide the button. Yes. Then the last one, let's change it to blue. Let's change it to navy blue. Let's change it to navy blue. So this is good. Then let's remove the read more. Oh, we haven't changed the over. Let's change the over to anything light. Yeah, we can leave it like this, so you can see that our site is now looking good. So let's change this. Let's add border radius to this image here. Let's add border radius. We go to style, then we go to border. So select border radius. Let's use 30 for everything. When you enlarge the text, yeah, you can see now that we've add our border radius, which is really good. Let's scroll down. This background image is not showing. Let's change it. Let's change the background image. Let's add our own to it. So we can add this. Yeah, this is good. Center. Okay, this is good. So let's add background overlay. So you choose this. Then we add color. Let's use our navy blue. This is our navy blue. Let's change our opacity to 0.65. Yeah, this is cool. Let's change what we have here. Let's change this to meet our theme. Meet our theme. Let's change this picture. Let's delete this picture. Let's add another from our section. Let's find our theme here. Let's add our theme here. Yeah, let's use this. Wow, this is good. This is good, guys. Let's remove this. So we still have a lot of space here to make it close. We have to click on this to go and remove the bottom space, which is this 90. We have to remove it. Yeah, this is good. So you can see now that we have changed it. So we can change this picture if you want. You have to add your pictures to it. So let's change this background picture also. It's not looking good. So you click on style, you choose image. Let's add something wow to it. Let's add this. So you can see that we have added a good picture. So let's change this our background overlay. All we have to do is just click the background overlay. Let's change it to our navy blue. Okay, the navy blue, let's just increase it. Let's change it to our code. So let's make sure we use the 0.65 here. 0.65. Yeah, so guys, this is really good. You can see our content is, you can read our content. Everything is good here. So this is our testimony section. Latest news, we don't have any blog post for now, so let's remove this. So guys, we are done with our page. So we can add our, you can just add the pages here, which is contacts. Let's try this. You can click on link option. So guys, we are done with our page. Let's update our website. So the next page that we have to create now is our service page. So we have to right click on edit to open. So we have to click on our edit with Elementor. So this is our edit, this is our services page. So we have to remove all this to make our page look clean. So we click on settings and first then we hide this. The last thing we have to do is to click on our element kit. So we select the same template that we used the other time, which is this. We select our services page there. So let's insert this services page, this one. So guys, you can see our services page. Everything is looking good. So let's edit this. We have to remove this background picture. You click on style, you choose picture. Then we are going to make use of this one. Good. Let's put center. Yeah, to centralize it. So guys, this is good. So now at the top here, let's add some content to it. So all we have to do, if you want to use this editor, you just drag this, drag it here. Let's add this to center. Let's add our trusted service. Trusted services. Let's change it. Let's change the color. Let's change it to our blue. Change it to our blue. Let's add some description under it. So we drag this edit text editor, add it to center. Then we can change the color also to our blue. So let's add a tiny line under this. So you can see that we are having 100. Let's change it to 30, and let's put it in center. So we have to change the color to our blue. All we have to do now is to push the line to the top small. So let's use -50. 50 is too much. Let's use 30. Yeah, 30 is good. You can see that also. So here let's add one to this place. So we duplicate this by right clicking on this and duplicate. So we delete this empty page by right clicking again and click on delete. Let's add call to action to here. So we click here, click on our section. All we have to do is just to look for a nice call to action here. So let's use this, guys. Now we can change this text to, you can change this text to anything that you like. You can change it to anything that you like. So let's change this, all this color to our color. Let's change it to orange. This is our yellow color. Let's change it to the orange. So we have some borderline here. Let's change the borderline to orange also. This is good. So let's change this element to yellow also. You click on this pencil edit icon, you go to style, go to text, now you go to focus title. We change it to our orange, not blue. Yeah, this is our orange. So we change this yellow, this our yellow bar again. So we go to, we click on this, and then we go to border. Our border, we change it to orange. Yeah, everything remain this blue. Let's change this blue also. It's our text separator. Let's go to style, go to separator, then we change the color to orange. So guys, this is good. You can change this, try us if you want to edit this button. Let's edit the overlay of this button to light yellow, to light orange or deep orange, sorry. Yeah, so we can change this to book us today. Change this to book us today. Yeah, this is good. So guys, we are done with our services page. The next thing that we have to do now is to update our page. So we need to go to our pages back and right click on edit, open on a new tab. So the next thing we have to do is to edit our about us page. So let's design our about us page. So let's click edit with Elementor. So this is our page. We have to make this to look clean. So let's remove all this. So now we have to click on our edit elements kit icon. So let's select our design page. We have to insert the about us page there now. So guys, this is our about us page. So what we have to do now is to make sure that we use our custom color. We can change all this color to our color. So for instance, we can change this at the top color, this short text. Let's change this to our text is black. Yeah, let's change this to our blue. Which is so we're going to go to subtitle. We can change this subtitle to blue also. That blue is not coming out. Let's change it to our orange. Let's change it to orange. We have FF. So orange is good. So guys, we have to change this background image. Let's change it to our regular image. We're using this. Yeah, this is good. Let's change this color to orange also. Subtitle to orange. Let's change our button to orange. Let's change our button to orange. You can see that this is good. So guys, let's change this background picture. Let's change this background picture. Let's use this. Let's change it to top center. Center. Yeah, center is good. We can use our overlay to be 0.6. Let's use our blue. Yeah. Now let's use 0.65. Yeah, this is good. So we can change this to our theme, the one that we use in the home page. We can change it to our theme. Let's change it. So let's add for the one that we use in the home page. So this is it. Let's add this. Guys, you can see that this is cool. Let's delete this. Then let's remove this line, let's remove this space. So go to advanced, then we'll remove the bottom space. Yeah, so let's change this color also. Let's put our orange. That's okay too. Yeah, this is good. You can see that this really look nice. So let's save our about us page. We are done with it. Yeah, we are done with it. So the next thing we have to do, our final page now, is contact us page. So let's go to contact and edit, right click, open to new tab, then you click on edit with Elementor. So you can see this is our page now. So let's change the settings. So we have to add our page, contact us. But in this template, we don't have contact us page there. We don't have contact us page there. So all we have to do now is to design our contact us page from scratch. So all we need to do is to just add this, insert this. We are going to use this, only this layout. Let's change this. So let's change this picture. So let's add this. Let's change this to contact us. Then this is our subtitle. Title description, let's change it to contact us. So we have to delete, we have to remove all this. So the next thing that we have to do now is to make sure that we design our contact us page ourselves. So we need a title first. We need the title first. It should be center. And let's add get in touch. Let's add get in touch. Let's change the color to orange. Let's give it a padding of 50. A top padding of 50. Let's add a little description to our title. Yeah, let's put it in the center. Description, good. So we have to add two boxes. We have to click on plus, we have to add two columns. So this right one will be our form, while this left one will be for our details. This how we do it. Let's add text. Add description. Then we search for an icon list. So we use this icon list to provide for our details. Then we are going to add our form to this right. So let's change this first. Let's add our phone number to this place. Let's change this icon to phone icon. Let's use this. The next one, let's use this for our WhatsApp. can add a WhatsApp. Let's use this. The next one we can use is for our email address. Let's change this to email. Let's change this to email. Then let's add one again, which is for our address. Let's change this to our address. So we're going to change the address later. Let's change it to final. Yeah, this is good. So let's change the color and give it space. Let's give it space of 10. You can add divider. You can see that's cool. You can add divider, but I don't want divider. Let's change our icon color to orange. Let's increase this icon to 20. This is good. This is good, guys. So here we need to put our form. We need to put our form. So all we have to do now is to go back to our page and add our form to it. Let's go and add our form. Let's go back to our page here. So you click on contact. So this is the form code. So if you want to edit the form or you want to change it, just click on edit and add anything you want to add. So here now we use short code. So we use short code, we drag it to our empty space, then we paste our code here, then our form will show. This is our form. You can see that this is really good. So at the top here we can add a little image. Here. We can add a little image here. Then we select one picture. We can add our little image here. So we can just click on this image and insert. So we can change the border radius of this image also. You can change the border radius of this image. You can just add 30. You can just put 30. Okay. Border radius, this is 30. This is good. Just add it like that. So our next one is to add our map. So we click on plus and we choose just one column. Then we click on this, then we search for map. Okay, this is Google Maps, so we drag and put it here. So our map will show. We can copy this address. We can go here, come here to change our address here. Now we add our address to it. So this is our Google map. You can see that our contact us page is looking good. Let's add a short line under this place. Let's add a short line here. So we can call it, we can put 30 as we did the other time, 30. Let's put it in center. Let's change the color to orange. Change the color to orange. Then let's add top padding to be minus. then -30. Yeah, so our contact us page also is looking good now. Let's update our site. So guys, let's go and load our website. Let's check what we have been doing since. Let's check our website now. Yeah, you can see that our website is not showing, so all we have to do now is to go to settings and go to origin. So we have to click on this static page, then we select our home page, so we save change. Now we can refresh our website. So our website is ready. But if you check here, we don't have footer and header. Our footer is not showing there. We don't have that, so we have to create that also. So let's go to appearance, click on Elementor header and footer builder. So all we have to do is to add new. So let's make this our header. Let's select the rows. Make sure you select header. Let it show on the entire website. Don't forget to click this box. Then we publish. Then let's add another one, which is for footer. Don't forget the same rule apply. Change this to footer. Show on the entire website, and don't forget this box. Then we publish. So let's open this on a new tab. So we'll come to appearance again, then you right click on this to open on a new tab, right click on this to open on a new tab. So this is it. Let's delete all these pages. So we are having our footer and we are having our header. So let's edit header. Edit with Elementor. So this is our header page. So the next thing you have to click is to click on this. Then let's go to section. Let's go and add one header there. We can use this. Let's use this. So this is our header. You can see that everything is intact. Let's change this background color to our navy blue. Let's change it here. We have to click this section, the one at the back here. Yeah. So you select on this. No, this is not it. This is navigator. Inner section. Yeah, this is it. So we have to change it to our color. Likewise this search also. So let's add our menu. Let's select our menu, which is our main menu. Let's change this logo also to our logo. Let's upload one logo. Yeah, you can see that we have add our logo, then we can remove it we can reduce it by dragging this. So you can see we are done with our header, guys. So we can change this to our email also. We can edit it here and change this one as hello.com. So this is good. We can update it. We can close it. Then let's let's edit our footer too. We can add a new footer there. We can add a new footer too. Let's edit this also. Edit with Elementor. So guys, this is our page. So the next thing we have to do now is to click on this icon. section. So let's use this. Good. Let's first change this background color to our blue. You can edit this and change it to our website name. You can change this to 2022. This is good. You can change this logo to our logo. This is our logo. So we can remove all this and add our menu. You can just search here, search for navigation. So you can just use this one, add it under it, and our menu will show. You can search for the layout and change it to vertical. You can see now. So we can duplicate this just to make sure that we have something that occupies this space. Then we can change this. If you want to change it, we can just add fast link. So we can change it to anything we need. So guys, we are done with our footer also. Then let's update. You can actually add a layer. You can actually add image to the background. You can actually add an image to the background. We can add something like this to our background. All we have to do is to make sure we choose center. Then we choose cover. We can pick no repeat. Then we're going to add our overlay. So we choose white. Then we go to transparency, opacity. Yeah, so this is good. You can see something to start it. So we update our website. So guys, we have come to the end of this. Let's check our website. We have come to the end of this tutorial. Now let's check our website. So guys, this is our website. You can see that everything is looking good now. We have our footer and everything is fine. So we have come to the end of this tutorial. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can see our next video once we drop it here. For the next class, we will be designing an e-commerce website whereby you can upload your products. I will show you step by step on how to design full e-commerce websites. Thank you guys.